Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel where I try to bring you a wide variety of computer DIY, upgrade, and repair videos. In this video, I'm working on an HP Elitebook 840 G3 laptop computer. I'm going to show you how to get into it, replace your main computer battery, as well as your smaller CMOS battery. Okay, so first thing guys, I have my computer shut off. I have the power adapter unplugged. I also have it on top of an anti-static pad. Either an anti-static pad or an anti-static bracelet is a very good idea when opening up a computer to limit the chances of damaging any of the components. If you guys want help finding items like this, supplies for your repair, or any of the tools I use in my video, check out the link above. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can see the things that I use in my shop. Okay, so to start off with, I see a screw there. So 4 along the top, you got 2 here, 3 along the bottom, and 1 there, 1 in the middle. I'm going to go and take those off now. One good hint guys, when you're taking screws out of a computer, make sure you keep different size screws together and separate from each other. Not all screws in a computer are going to be the same width or the same length. And if you try to put the wrong screw in the wrong hole, you could end up damaging a component. So make sure your bottom case screws stay with each other, your battery screws with each other, motherboard screws. Make sure you keep your screws separate. I'm now going to take my small flat plastic pry tool, put it in near the hinge, and just give it a little pop. Pop that bottom case right up. As you can see here, there's no electrical components on this. It's just a panel, so that just pops right up. Here's the inside of the computer. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. Okay, so there's our battery. As you can see, it's held on by 1, 2, 3 screws. So I'm going to take those out now, and I'm going to keep them separate from my other screws. And then right here, there's a little black flap, plastic flap right there. You just bend that up, and you pull the battery right out. And that's how you remove your battery. It plugs into that port right there with this connector. So that's how you would line it up, and it just comes right out. Here's your CMOS battery wrapped in black electrical tape. It's held down to the motherboard by double-sided tape, so that very easily pops up if you're looking to replace it, and the cord comes here, plugs in right next to it. Best way to unplug that is to take a small plastic pry tool and push off on those 2 little arms on the left and right, a little at a time, until that plug is unplugged. Alright, so there's the operation. Not too complicated, but it does help to know what you're getting into before you start opening up a computer. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you want to leave me a question or comment, feel free to do so. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.